Hey there, Excel explorers. Get ready to turbocharge your spreadsheet skills and become an Excel pro with some super cool shortcuts. Welcome to a journey that will make your navigation through Excel a breeze. Greetings, spreadsheet superheroes. We are about to unveil the secrets behind some seriously nifty shortcuts that will level up your Excel game in no time. Today, we are diving into useful Excel shortcuts for navigation to become a pro. Get ready to shine like the sun in the world of Excel. It's time to bring a ray of sunshine to your spreadsheets with shortcuts that will light up your navigation skills. Hello, Excel adventurers. Let's brighten up our day with some brilliant navigation shortcuts. Join us as we embark on a journey to become an Excel pro with shortcuts that will have you smiling. Whether you are ready for a dose of a playful adventure or an energetic boost, we have got the perfect start to an Excel journey that will revolutionize the way you navigate spreadsheets. Let's dive into the world of shortcuts as we reveal the magic behind becoming an Excel pro with navigation shortcuts. Are you ready to take your Excel game to the next level? Let's dive in. Starting with one of the most using shortcut and much needy shortcut in Excel. For example, you are working a lots of sheet, like I also have a lots of sheet 1, and for example you are working with a lots of sheet, and every time you have to use your mouse to go to your previous or next sheet. It is too much time taking and too much boring. Just use your keyboard to move and back to your worksheets. Just go to your keyboard, press Ctrl plus page up to move back up your sheet. For example, I want to move backward. I just press Ctrl plus page up. I keep pressing, it will keep moving backward. If I want to go forward, so I will press Ctrl plus page down button from your keyboard. I just press page down, it will keep moving forward. So for example, now you press Ctrl plus page down button, so it will not do anything because there is no more sheets are available. So if you want to go back, you have to go to Ctrl plus page up button and you will start moving back to your sheets. Moving to another amazing shortcut. For example, I am working this sheet. I just want to go end of the data column or cell or row anywhere. So I just press Ctrl right arrow. It will reach at the end of the data cell. So again you press, it will reach end of the Excel sheet. So if you want to go back, just press Ctrl and left arrow key. It will reach your last column in which data is entered. So if you want to go first column, you press again, you will go to your last column. Same he did for down arrow, up arrow. As I say, it will go end of the data region. So if I insert a row at there, so now there is data region is break. So in this way it will come up to your last data cell. So here he found some space or blank, so it will not go beneath this. For example, you want to select, so same procedure should be follow. So Control Shift, this time you have to press Shift also. Now press down arrow, it will select the data. Same you want to go right side, Control Shift right, it will select data up to your last entered data. You are working this in this cell, you just have to go next line in the same cell. By pressing enter, it will move to your next cell, but you can go to next line in the same cell by simply just press Alt plus enter like this. Now you are in same cell but in second line like this. Another crazy shortcut is, for example, you are working with some cells you don't know, it is too much large sheet, and you just want to go your first cell, press Ctrl plus home button, you will reach to your A1 cell. Same thing, if you want to go to first column, for example I am working with O138, means it is too much away from A138, so I just want to go by manually. Sometimes it's large data, it takes too much time, so I just press home button, so it will go to first cell of that row in which you are working. For example, you are working in this cell and you have to go down, too much down, to take some entries, and you totally forget where you are working. So it's an amazing shortcut to go to your active cell in which you are working. Just press Ctrl plus backspace from your keyboard, like you will reach to your active cell in which you were working before scrolling down. Here is some more basic but too much using shortcuts. For example, if you want to open new workbook, just go to your keyboard, press Ctrl plus N, new workbook will be open. If you want close it, just go to your keyboard, press Ctrl plus W, it will be closed. If you want to save it quickly, don't go to your quick access toolbar or file menu, just press Ctrl plus S, like see at there, it will show you ready, it means your file is saved. Inserting new worksheet in your workbook, it's also too much easy. Just go to your keyboard, press shift plus F11, new sheet will be added. If you want to select your whole column, just go to your keyboard, press Ctrl plus space, your whole selected column will be select. If you want to select whole row, just press shift plus space, your whole row will be selected. If you want to add new row to your worksheet, just select cell, press your Ctrl plus button on your keyboard. Sometimes it will not work in some keyboards, so just press Ctrl shift plus. Now it will ask where you want to insert column, entire row or cell. I want to add column, like this column will be added. Deleting column is also too much easy. As I told you, Ctrl plus space, select your whole column, press Ctrl plus minus button on your keyboard, your column will be deleted. Thank you for joining us on this jolly Excel journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and get ready for more incredible Excel discoveries ahead. Until next time, let's navigate our way to Excel's stardom.